Hello everyone, welcome to CrackU video series. In this video, we are going to discuss some important GK questions for current affairs for all MBA exams. This video is part of our GK video series for the MBA entrance exams such as XAT, TISNET and CMAT. You can check out the crash courses, mocks and previous papers of these exams on our website, that is cracku.in. The link of all these resources are mentioned in the description. You can check them out there. Now start with the today's session. India's first artificial intelligence and robotic technology park was launched in which of the following cities? The correct answer is B, Bangalore. So country's first artificial intelligence and robotic technology park launched in Bangalore. India improved its ranking by how many places from the previous year in the UN World Happiness Report 2022? The correct answer is D, that is 3. Which of the following became the first Indian state to introduce carbon neutral farming methods? The correct answer is B, that is Kerala. So carbon neutral farming will be implemented in 13 farms under the Agriculture Department and tribal areas, and steps are on to convert the state seed farm at carbon neutral farm. In the second phase, carbon neutral farm will be developed in all the 140 assembly constituencies. Donate a pension was launched by which of the following ministries? The correct answer is B, that is Ministry of Labour. So Donate a pension is an initiative under Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Man Dhan Yojana that allows people to donate the premium contribution of their immediate support staff. These people may include your domestic workers, drivers, helpers or caregivers, etc. First Gati Shakti cargo terminal of Indian Railways commissioned in which of the following states? The correct answer is D, that is Jharkhand. Asansol division of Eastern Railway has successfully commissioned private siding of Maithan Power Limited at Thaparnagar, Jharkhand, and this is the first such Gati Shakti multi-model cargo terminal commissioned in Indian Railway since the publication of GCT policy in December 2021. Forbes highest paid athletic list for 2022 was topped by dash. The correct answer is C, that is Lionel Messi. Kalam website was launched by which of the following? The correct answer is B, that is Om Birla. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has launched the one of its kind literary initiative Kalam website of the Prabha Khetan Foundation to support and encourage vernacular literature. The aim of Kalam is to popularize Hindi literature and provide a platform for veteran and young authors and poets to talk about their writing and love for vernacular literature. The world's longest glass-bottom bridge was opened in which of the following countries? The correct answer is D, that is Vietnam. Vietnam has opened a glass-bottom bridge that is said to be the longest in the world, stretching for about 2000 feet. The Bach Long Bridge, meaning the White Dragon, connects two mountains and hangs over a valley in Vietnam's northwest. In which of the following months highest revenue was collected by GST? The correct answer is D, that is April 2022. The total GST collection in India crossed rupees 1.5 lakh crore only once in the month of April 2022. Mukhyamantri Mitan Yojana is related to which of the following states? The correct answer is B, that is Chhattisgarh. So Abhishek Mishra, Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel launched the Mukhyamantri Mitan Yojana under citizen of 14 municipal corporation in Chhattisgarh can avail around 100 people services at their doorsteps. These services include home delivery of birth, caste, income and marriage certificates. India's first dental health insurance plan was launched by which of the following company? The correct answer is A, that is PNB MetLife India Insurance. So PNB MetLife Insurance launched India's first dental health insurance plan, and this plan covers specific outpatient expenses and accidental dental procedures and provide financial aid related to overall dental care. L&T signed an agreement with which of the following institution to develop green hydrogen technology in April 2022? The correct answer is C, that is IIT Bombay. So L&T has signed an agreement with the Indian Institute of Technology Mumbai to jointly pursue research and development work in the green hydrogen value chain. Who became the Global Peace Ambassador 2022? The correct answer is C, that is Babita Singh. Babita Singh has been conferred as a Global Peace Ambassador for promoting peace through education, sports, art, culture and diplomacy. She was honored at the India International Conclave 2022, which is held in collaboration with Asia Africa Consortium in April 2022. Chara Bijai Yojana was launched in which of the following states? The correct answer is D, that is Haryana. So Haryana Agriculture Minister Jaiprakash Dalal launched the Chara Bijai Yojana, a scheme launched to provide the financial assistance of rupees 10,000 per acre to farmers cultivating and supplying fodder to Gaushalas. The rationale behind the scheme is to address the state's fodder shortage and rising stray cattle. The subsidy will be directly credited to the farmer's account under direct benefit transfer. What is the rank of India in Times Higher Education Impact Ranking 2022? The correct answer is B, that is 4th. So India is the joint 4th most represented nation across the rankings, with 64 universities featuring in total. Mia Ka Bada railway station, renamed as Mahesh Nagar Halt, it is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is D, that is Rajasthan. The Supreme Court of India formed a committee for the recovery of money from NSCL, National Spot Exchange Limited defaulters. Who is the head of this committee? The correct answer is C, that is Pradeep Nandraraj Jog. The Supreme Court has approved the formation of the Supreme Court Committee headed by Justice Pradeep Nandraraj Jog for recovery of monies from the defaulters against whom National Spot Exchange Limited has secured money distress. Lok Milni scheme was launched by which of the following person? The correct answer is B, that is Bhagwant Mann. Which of the following was the World Book Capital for the year 2022? The correct answer is D, Guadalajara, Mexico. So Guadalajara was named World Book Capital for the year 2022 by the Director General UNESCO, Audrey, on the recommendation of the World Book Capital Advisory Committee. India's first 5G test bed was launched by Dash. The correct answer is D, that is Narendra Modi. India opened its first test bed for 5G technology to reduce the country's dependency on foreign facilities. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the new facility on 17th May. The test bed has been set up at a cost of rupees 220 crore. Hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you.